An seachtain seo táimid ag fáilim faoin bríthar bual, to hiss or to mish. And the theme of our spellings is an clan, the family.
So we're going to conjugate verbs into the past tense, an aimsir caite, the present tense, an aimsir láithreach, and the future tense, an aimsir áisteanach. And if you look there at the man, he's in the past, the present, and the future.
An aimsir caite, the past tense. Bhúil mé, I hiss. Bhúil tú, you hiss. Bhúil sé, he hiss. Bhúil she hiss. Bhúil amar, we hiss. Bhúil sibh, ye hiss. Bhúil siad, they hiss. Bhúil, níor bhúil. An aimsir láithreach, the present tense. Búlam, I hiss. Búlan tú, you hiss. Búlan sé, he hits. Búlan she hits. Búlamid, we hiss. Búlan sibh, ye hiss. Búlan siad, they hiss. An múlan, ní bhúlan. An aimsir áisteanach, the future tense. Búil he may, I will hit. Búil he tú, you will hit. Búil he sé, he will hit. Búil he she will hit. Búlamid, we will hit. Búil he sibh, ye will hit. Búil he siad, they will hit. An múil he, ní bhúil he. When it comes to búil, bhúil normally means hit. Bhúil mé Dermot, I hit Dermot. But when you have the le, it means I met. So bhúil mé le Dermot, I met Dermot. For spellings this week we're looking at an clan, the family. Drefor, sister. Drehar, brother. Daddy agus mammy, well they're self-explanatory. Dadjo, granddad. Mamo, granny. Uncle, agus auntie, aunt. So structure oberta, our sentence structure. So we start with the verb, which is búil, followed by the subject of, so that could be may, to, column, and madra. We may or may not have le, that determines whether it means to meet or to hit, and then our spellings, which are the family members, or dinner, the person. Mar hapla, bhúil mé le mamo means I met granny. Búlan she a drefor, she hits her sister. Búlhi column lin amorach. Column will meet August Tommy Dainta. We're done.